Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on the Manley Boulevard from Rockfort towards Harbour View. The road on the left is Balkan Avenue, and that road will take you into Bayshore Park community. On the left is Harbour View Drive, and that road will take you towards Harbour View Football Stadium. On the left is Harbour View Moravian Church, and to the right you can find Danny's Marina. To the right is the old D Pier, and to the left is the Seascape housing development. The road on the left is Seashore Place, and we are entering the Harbour View Roundabout. The first exit on the left is Fort Nugent Drive, which will also take you to the Harbour View Stadium. We are taking the second exit towards 7 Mile, Bull Bay and to St Thomas Parish. The third exit will take you to the Manley International Airport and to Port Royal, which was once known as the wickedest city on earth, Sin City. At Port Royal, you can find many historical buildings and artifacts. On the right is Navy Base Road, which will take you to the Quarrie High School. Crossing the Hope River. On the left is Orion Avenue. The road on the right is Caribbean Terrace. On the left is Lunar Avenue. On the right is Quarrie Drive. On the left is Stella Road. On the left is St Benedict the Moor Catholic Church and St Benedict Primary School. Entering 7 Mile. On the left is Shooter's Hill. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.